Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. This is nice. In the upper left-hand corner, I see the name that I have given my business. I can take a quick tour. I'll let you guys do that on your own. So I have a checklist. So we'll start at the top. I realize it's not starting me at the top. It's back to the invoices, but I'm going to start at the top. So my basic business info. You've turned on all the basics. Great. I don't know what I turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and say, take another look. Because I feel like I didn't give it much. I gave it my name. Oh gosh, it's this whole thing again. I'm going to click the back arrow and see if I can get out of it. Okay, I could. Okay, so the second thing is to set up your invoices and do invoicing through QuickBooks. I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. In make-believe land, we do not use QuickBooks for invoicing. In real life, you might or might not, and I definitely do use QuickBooks for some of my invoicing, but I have a variety of clients that will use an external software. Maybe they have an app, maybe they're in construction, maybe they're a medical office, maybe they have, like I do, like an all-in-one that does the contracts and payments externally. So while this is nice, I'm still going to skip it and we'll do a different video for that later. Get paid online, as you can imagine, that links directly to the invoice. So you have two options. You can get a payment link, or you can create invoice and get a payment link. One quick thing to note about the get a payment link is that if you do want to get paid through Intuit Merchant Processing, you need to set up an account for that. You would have to set up an account to accept credit card and e-check payments. It only takes a few minutes to set up an account, but you're setting up a merchant account. So it's optional. It doesn't happen by setting up your QuickBooks. It's an extra step. Totally available if you want it, but we're going to skip it for now. So then down here, see what you make and see what you spend. Link your business accounts. This is where QuickBooks is saying, do you want to connect, do a one-way sync between your business checking account, your business credit card with your QuickBooks? Once you've done that, you would organize your expenses, categorize your transactions. That's totally great. I like this idea. So you get the free mobile app so you can scan receipts and do some stuff on your phone. The last time I checked, and this may not be true now, I was unable to do any sort of screen recording on my phone, no matter what I tried. The Intuit mobile app does not allow me to screen record, so I cannot make a video for you on how that works unless I hold a camera above my phone. So we'll probably never have a video on this, or at least not until one day it magically works. Get support. I'm curious about this. It says if you need help, talk to a human. Let's click on Get Help and see what it does for us. Well, this is not YouTube magic. Nothing happened. I will click refresh. Okay, what can you help with? Let's do something. Oh, I know. Bank balance. This is a really common question. So here's my options. I can do a chat support, I can do callback, or I can hire somebody from the QuickBooks team. So that's nice. It's nice to know those options are available. If you do go this route and if you do not get your question answered, my team and I are 100% available to help you and to answer your questions. So let's go ahead and close out of that. So the setup checklist, I'm not going to go through the items on the checklist. I think we just did and we have a very good sense of what it is. So I'm going to close my checklist. All right, so what we've done, what you've just seen, is we set up the shell for our QuickBooks. We've not customized it aside from entering our name. I don't think we even entered our address. So we just got things kind of started. So we'll go ahead and stop here, and then we'll come back and customize this even more.